Hey guys, Morten and Henning from Flip Normals here, and today is Black Friday. Everything on the Flip Normals marketplace is now 50% off. This is our entire library of almost 6,000 products.
This includes everything from awesome sculpting tutorials, learning how to use Maya, advanced rigging tutorials for Blender, a ton of assets, reference packs, Flip Normal Skin Kit.
There's a lot of stuff on there, and if you've been eyeing anything on the marketplace in the past couple of months and you really want to pick something up, now is the time. We've also tried to make it even easier for you by creating a lot of bespoke articles. So we're not going to go through everything in a video. Instead, if you check the link out in the description below, we'll have articles that outline which products are good for who, and you can basically just take your pick from anything on that list and check it out right away.